In a dense forest, many animals live together. Deer, elephants, monkey, bears, and rabbits. They all respected one another and celebrated festivals together. A small group of rabbits lived in the eastern part of the forest. Among them, the smartest was Chiku. Not only was Chiku intelligent, but his cleverness was famous throughout the jungle. One day, a fierce lion entered the jungle. He was cruel and hunted one animal every day. Fear gripped all the animals. A meeting was called on all the animals decided that each day one animal would go to the lion willingly so he could not kill others. Tough, resolute, they agreed as they saw no other way to survive. After a few days, it was the rabbit's turn. All the rabbits were terrified. Who will go? They wondered. Chiku stepped forward and said, I will go, but I will meet the lion in a different way. The other rabbits were surprised but trusted Chiku's intelligence. He devised a clever plan. He knew that defeating the lion in a fight was impossible, but he could certainly win a battle of wits. Chiku knew the lion lived in a cave near the river. Instead of going directly, he delayed his journey, taking his time. By the time he reached the lion, it was quite late. The lion roared in anger. Why are you so late? Chiku calmly replied, Your Majesty, I was on time, but another lion stopped me on the way. He claimed that he was the real king of the jungle. The lion was furious. Who is he? Where is this other lion? Chiku replied, He is in a nearby cave. I told him that you are the real king, but he refused to believe me. The lion, now burning with rage, demanded to be taken to this so-called king. Chiku led the lion to a dry well where water still remained at the bottom, creating clear reflection. Pointing at the well, Chiku said, Your Majesty, there is he is hidden inside. The lion looked into the well and saw his own reflection in the water. Thinking it was another lion, he roared in anger. Furious, the lion jumped into the well to attack his reflection but drowned in the deep water. With the lion gone, the jungle was filled with joy. All the animals praised Chiku for his bravery and intelligence. They no longer had to fear being hunted. The rabbits declared Chiku the hero of the jungle.